Everyone's talking about AI engineers, but the next big shortage is right behind it. People who can build and operate the infrastructure that runs AI. Are you ready? Entire job descriptions are being replaced by a single API call. That's not science fiction, it's automation, and it's already happening. Cloud engineers everywhere are realizing that the skill that once made them valuable, deploying and scaling infrastructure, is becoming automatic. But there's a new skill, hiding in plain sight, that makes those who master it nearly untouchable. It's not coding, it's not DevOps, it's the ability to fuse infrastructure with intelligence, to turn cloud systems into self-learning ecosystems. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what that means and how to build a mini project that proves you have it. Most early career tech professionals chase software development because it feels tangible. Code in, product out. The most in-demand roles right now aren't in app development. They're in AI infrastructure and cloud intelligence engineering. Reports from TechTarget and Lorien Global confirm it. Roles combining AI and infrastructure are exploding while generic cloud engineer listings plateau. The market is shifting toward AI-powered automation in cloud operations, also called AI ops. This means systems that not only run workloads, but predict failures, auto-scale intelligently, and optimize costs in real time. If you only know cloud, you're standing still. If you understand AI plus cloud, you're designing the future. Most cloud engineers today can spin up EC2, configure Terraform, and deploy containers, but those skills are becoming the new basic Excel. Companies don't just need people who can deploy. They need people who can make the deployment think. That's what AI ops is all about, bringing machine learning into cloud monitoring, orchestration, and incident response. Imagine your system detecting an anomaly before it crashes, automatically patching itself, and sending you a Slack message saying, "I handled it." That's not magic, it's the new standard. And the engineers who can architect that, they're the ones recruiters chase down on LinkedIn. So what exactly is AI ops? It stands for Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations. In plain English, it's when you teach your infrastructure to watch, learn, and heal itself. Think of it as a cloud environment that behaves like a living organism, constantly analyzing logs, metrics, and events, then making decisions without waiting for humans. It combines machine learning models with automation tools like Kubernetes, Prometheus, and Terraform to make systems smarter. And this is where the gap is massive, as most engineers know the tools, but not the intelligence layer on top. That's your opening. Write in the comments if you've ever seen a job title with AI ops in it. It's rarer than it should be, but that's exactly why it's gold. Now, let's talk about why this matters for your career. In every economic slowdown, one trend holds true. Companies invest in efficiency, not expansion. And efficiency today means automation powered by AI. The engineers who can make cloud systems run cheaper, faster, and smarter will always have leverage. Picture two resumes side by side. One says, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. The other says, Built Predictive Anomaly Detection for Hybrid Cloud Workloads using ML. Which one would you hire? Exactly. That's why learning AI ops isn't just smart, it's survival. If you're wondering where to start, don't overcomplicate it. Begin with observability. Collect metrics using Prometheus or CloudWatch and stream them into a simple Python-based anomaly detection model. Even a lightweight scikit-learn model can identify when a workload behaves differently. Then trigger an automated response like scaling up a container or sending an alert. You've just built the foundation of AI ops. It's not about fancy AI. It's about smart automation that improves reliability without extra human effort. Most people miss that AI ops isn't just a tech skill. It's a business skill disguised as engineering. When you can quantify the cost of downtime and demonstrate automation that saves money, you're not just an engineer, you're a strategist. That's what makes AI ops professionals untouchable. Because when layoffs hit, companies don't fire the people who save them money. They promote them. The future belongs to engineers who can speak both machine and money. AI ops isn't about replacing engineers, it's about amplifying them. You're still in control, but you delegate the repetitive and predictive tasks to systems that learn over time. Instead of firefighting, you're fine-tuning strategy. That means your value shifts from keeping things running to making things evolve. That's a big mental leap, and once you make it, your entire career trajectory changes. Want to know what skills recruiters are quietly searching for? Look up job descriptions containing keywords like AI infrastructure, ML pipelines, cloud automation, and observability engineering. You'll notice something. They all describe AI ops without saying it directly. The people who recognize that hidden pattern and learn accordingly get ahead faster. The best part? You don't need a data science degree. You just need to understand how to feed system data into models and trigger actions based on insights. Here's a roadmap to master this niche. Step 1. Learn observability using Prometheus, Grafana, and log aggregation. Step 2. Learn automation using Terraform, Ansible, or Pulumi. Step 3. Learn applied machine learning using basic Python, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Step 4. Connect them. Use ML to analyze logs in Terraform to act on the insights. That's the loop that defines AI ops. You're not coding for features. You're coding for foresight. Let's make it practical. Build a self-healing web app. Use a public cloud free tier on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Deploy a small containerized app. Collect metrics on central processing unit and latency. Then, train a basic model that predicts when performance will degrade and automatically spins up a new container before it happens. This simple project showcases your ability to design predictive cloud automation. It's your golden ticket to stand out from thousands of generic cloud resumes. Now, let's talk about the mindset. Most people learn cloud by memorizing services like S3, Lambda, EC2, repeat. That's not engineering, that's configuration. The true differentiator is how you combine those services into adaptive systems. That's what AI Ops does. It blurs the line between operations and intelligence. Think of it as DevOps with a PhD. And in a world where every company wants to do AI but doesn't know how, that makes you their missing link. You might be wondering if AI Ops is so powerful, why isn't everyone learning it? Simple. It's uncomfortable. It forces you to move beyond cloud comfort zones and dive into data pipelines, automation logic, and ML fundamentals. Most people stop where it gets hard. That's why the few who push through become rare and therefore irreplaceable. Remember, difficulty isn't a wall. It's a filter separating the ordinary from the exceptional. Which side do you want to be on? Let's zoom out for a second. The cloud revolution gave birth to DevOps. The next revolution, AI and infrastructure, is birthing AI Ops. Every shift in tech history creates a new class of elite engineers who adapt early. The ones who learned Kubernetes before it went mainstream, they're senior engineers now. The ones learning AI Ops today, they'll be tomorrow's architects, directors, and chief technology officers. History doesn't repeat. It rewards those who recognize the pattern before the crowd. Still skeptical? Think about what every major cloud provider is doing right now. AWS has CloudWatch anomaly detection. Azure has AI-based advisor recommendations. Google Cloud has predictive auto-scaling built into its compute services. These aren't isolated features, they're signals. The market is already aligning around AI Ops, whether the job boards say it or not. You can ignore it and compete with everyone else, or master it and have no competition at all. Here's a fun exercise. Look up your favorite tech company's job board right now. Search for roles mentioning observability, automation, or AI infrastructure. You'll see something fascinating. Most of these jobs aren't labeled AI Ops, but that's exactly what they are. Recruiters don't even know the name of what they're hiring for yet. That's your advantage. You get to define the title before it goes mainstream. Drop in the comments what job title you find. You might just expose the next six-figure trend. Before we wrap up, remember this. In the next 5 years, cloud will be table stakes. AI will be expected. But the fusion of the two, AI-driven infrastructure, is what will define elite engineers. When your systems can learn, adapt, and self-optimize, you're not maintaining tech, you're leading evolution. That's what untouchable really means. It's not immunity from change, it's mastery of it. And that's a skill worth building now. So, if you're serious about future-proofing your career, start small but start today. Build that mini project. Learn the data signals behind cloud metrics. Automate a simple insight. Because while everyone else is still learning how to deploy containers, you'll be deploying intelligence. And trust me, when companies realize they can't automate you, that's when they'll start chasing you. Tell me in the comments, what's your next move?
Found this valuable? Watch our playlists for more practical, expert-level insights on digital transformation and leading your career into the next era of growth. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who needs a clearer strategy. Knowledge is power, and the more people who understand this, the more successful your organization will be. Simplify the tech. amplify the impact. If you care about keeping your online activity private and secure, NordVPN is one of the most reliable tools you can use. Their military-grade encryption ensures your data is safe from hackers, trackers, and even your internet service provider. You can bypass geo-restrictions to access content that's not available in your region. The app is easy to use across all major devices, from desktops to smartphones, and even your router. Use the link in the description to sign up for the current deal and secure your connection today.